Yes!
Oh!
Oh, God! Oh, shit.
Use that as you will. So yeah, as you can see, our souls are going to be spread pretty thin this go around.
Video protected. Honda Link Assist.
Listen.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? What the hell? Are you
videos, or you to get your first star, you had to go in and watch videos.
Oh my god!
Go in and watch videos.
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! Did he flip?
Just because he missed his exit.
Oh, what the hell was that?
The lashes on your hand like a good glitch. But look how perfect. I'm wearing makeup right now. And it's just scary because there's a lot of girls out there that don't realise when someone's got a filter.
But and it is genuinely heartbreaking to consider the point where you do something.
The sin is murdering those people, but I think in the context of the show, the true sin is swear.
Yeah,
I swear. You know, that's.
Ach du Scheiße, bin ich gerade mal das Feld auf die Straße, okay? Oh mein Gott!
sit with Bay Area fans.
You're supposed to be one of us.
Yes. And B, even you basically just turn free agency into the same way that you platoon or pull someone in the 5th inning, which is now telling me that you're using analytics.
Sorry, you're in the sidewalk.
I didn't realize that. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's pretty amazing, right?
Wow. She has a driver's license.
Pulling out a snake. Oh,
no, they got in trouble. Something happened, like it's at a pet store.
Killing over
like
300 pythons and a boa constrictor.
But they did, like, they killed the wrong one or something like that. One of these was pregnant, had like 50 in it, inside of it or something.
So why are they killing these things?
They're in Florida and they're...
Oh, so
this morning, and that I haven't heard from you, but yeah, I got home Tuesday morning at 2:30 from Belize. It was amazing. Let me jump to the business stuff first.
Oh my word.
I just emailed, or I just texted Sherry.
Oh.
She is David Chadwick.
Let's move on. Did the man predict this? No, what do you mean move on? Did the man predict this? A Holly man was accused of entering a daycare, right? So this dude in New Orleans County, right? He walks into a daycare. It's Clarkson County daycare.
Punition or verdict, he hit it with something different. Ability, feast of blood, blood. Spell, drain, blood. Base cost, moderate manner.
What are you doing?
After the death of Indiana Republican Congresswoman Jackie Walorski, she was killed along with 2 staffers and another person in a 2-car crash in her district. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita got
Looking for
31.
Oh yeah. That'll be a little harder than 55, I think. But you. Oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody!